Welcome back, my friends. I've got another unboxing for you today. This piece is from the 22P collection, so it just came out back on January 18th, and I was able to snag this. I'm super excited because the pieces that I was interested in from this particular collection, I didn't really find too many. The purple Iridescent that was coming out in the Chanel 19 was pretty, but frankly, that Chanel 19 is it's just not my style. So it was really nice to see something, in particular in a colorway, that I was really excited about. So let's go ahead and show you what this piece is. Let's take out the paper. It's nicely packed. Here's my receipt. I did get this from my lovely CA at the Chicago boutique. And nicely wrapped in the bubble wrap. And here's the camellia. All right, so we've got the paper camellia and the ribbon, which is always so nicely wrapped. Let's see if I can get this off. Care booklet and info. And, there's the chain to reveal. If you can tell, the 22P. And check out that color code if this is something you're interested in, or this is a colorway that you're interested in. That color code is very, very helpful to have. To reveal my brand new wallet on chain in the iridescent dark blue is what they're calling this, but now this is natural light, and it is coming out very mermaid blue purple vibes. It does have light gold hardware. And we've got the Mona Lisa pocket in the back. Put it up. Has a magnetic closure. And as you can see, like all of these classic walks, it has a slip pocket in the front. And then card slots inside. It has this zipper pocket at the top. And this is this pocket goes all the way down to the bottom. Now, with these newer walks, the chain, there is a D-ring where the chain is attached. It doesn't have that kind of rolled leather that the chains go through, which you do see in some of the other walks, but not in this one. This one has the D-ring and the chain is attached there. It has the zippered pocket and the other half of the tag. And so there's a slip pocket here, the zippered pocket with the authenticity plate, and then another slip pocket up front. And then you do have the card slots there on the side. This is a leather interior, and this particular piece, I don't know if you can tell, was made in Italy. And as you can see, it is a really gorgeous color, and I'm so glad to have this piece in my collection. Just to provide a little bit more of a color comparison, like I said, this is the Iridescent Dark Blue from the 22P collection, so this just came out, and this is an Iridescent Light Blue that came out in the 19P collection. As you can see, it has that same kind of iridescent sheen, but it doesn't have the multicolor, the shifting of the color that you can see in this one. And for another comparison, this is another iridescent blue. This one is from, I believe it's going to be 19, it might have been 19 Spring Summer. I know that this is a color that was available when I went to Paris in the summer, but this might have been the Spring Summer collection, so 19S, or it may have been as late as 19A, but I don't think so. I think that this was coming out right at the beginning of the summer. So again, it has that iridescence, but less of that kind of color shifting quality. There is some hint of gold. I don't know that you can really tell that it has that kind of iridescence to it when you see it, but obviously in comparison, you know, two very different tonal shades, and this the walk definitely has more of that purple to turquoise shift, and like I said, this has more of a golden shift when you see it in person. And for just one more comparison, this piece, I don't have the actual, I can't remember what collection this came from. This was part of an iridescent, this is the iridescent purple that came out probably in 2017 or 2018. This is a 24 series. So if anybody can, you know, comment down below if you remember what particular collection this came from. I bought this piece off of Fashion File, and while I have the authenticity card, it doesn't come with any of the other tags or anything that would tell me which collection it's from. But this one has a, again, I mean, and it may be kind of hard because the hardware here is that rainbow hardware, but this does have a red violet shift to it in the iridescent, and as you can see, has kind of a similar shift with my new walk.
That's it for this video, folks. If you would, please hit that like button, and if you would like more notifications for whenever I upload, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell notification to know when the next one goes up. Thanks for watching. Have a safe week. Bye.